Alright, there we go. Doing a cantaloupe cavity test. 762 by 39. These are the hog specials, 123 grain. Flying out at 2365 feet per second with the muzzle energy at 1527. So here we go, shooting down range, and we're going to see what kind of channel it leaves.
I'll eventually get caught up. Man, that shook the whole pole.
Yeah, it did. It had some thump behind it. Alright, here we go. This is 762, the hog specials. We literally obliterated everything. We have in out exit into the second one, in and out. We are not into the third, so that's pretty cool that it's stopping that quick. But I don't have a bullet. Don't have a bullet. That is trying to piece it together as best as I can. That is the entry point right there. It actually blew the tape and blew it out, and that is the 762 by 39 cantaloupe cavity test. That is outstanding. There you go. Pretty cool.